Hello guys, this is Forge Masters and we will be making a short video on guidance how to convert your stuff in a more useful stuff that can be used for war. Basically we are in K1549 and our castle is called King Mahesh as of now. But our purpose is to guide even the spenders, non-spenders and mediocre spenders how to convert your lying stuff into useful stuff. So here we go. Today in this video we will make a short presentation where we will show how we are converting these materials to getting orange equipment 30, gaining orange materials either by breaking it or further using it, making excellent equipment and bringing it to get it blueprints. So here we go. So now how we follow, just follow these rules. This is the first basic video where we will be developing on more videos from here. So to do this is like we start from level 1, right from level 1 and go up level 30 and just follow this guide. Okay, now we'll just place first equipment with both orange and just forge it. Okay, if there's forging time going on, quickly just accelerating it, you'll get the orange equipment level 1. Now we'll forge some level, any equipment level 5 and just simply replacing one orange from one purple. Okay, so just using one orange, one purple. See the difference, you will see here. Okay, now 66% is orange and 33% is purple. And just forge it and expect it to come orange now. It should come. Okay, so we continue and we go ahead and forge level 15. Now level 15 you can see here. Okay, replace with purple equipment and just place one orange here. So two purples, one orange, and the same material we have placed. Okay, this is 15. We have to forge 10, so we do that for the 10. Okay. Orange. So okay, two purple, one orange. Okay. This likewise this continues and you keep getting equipment of orange quality. Yeah, see, level 10 orange. Now we go to 50 and we forge. So you continue doing this. Now you're gaining, if you see, you are gaining the equipment, gaining the materials, and you continue like this. And this is how we gain the materials without actually using a lot of orange equipment. So if it comes to purple equipment, you don't have to worry about it. You can continue with it and it can be converted back to orange. So don't worry about it. It may happen like here. Okay, so 15. Likewise, we continue and we keep on going higher to 30. So we continue with this procedure and continue to go higher, and we reach there definitely without using all the equipment, all the materials. Sorry. Okay, so 20. Yeah, okay, 20. Okay, likewise. Now 25, we'll see whether it comes to orange or not. Same purpose, without worry. Just keep on using it. Purples, purples. Okay, 25 for you. Okay. Okay, okay, accelerating it. Okay. Okay, so you can continue with going to 30, or like personally, I may use all the orange equipment and food from 25 to 30 because now we have gained sufficient amount of materials. So we should be also be a bit careful, but you can still go ahead with it if you're forging ahead. So you can gamble, but the chances have started to increase. So probably I'll go with the forging all orange and get it to 30, but you can still get to 30 using the purple equipment. So this is how you can gain a lot of materials, orange materials from using purple materials. So that's how you reach to 30, and there is subsequently use it for making excellent materials. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe it, and we will keep on putting a lot of effort bringing you advanced stuff which not everyone is aware of, and we will keep sharing with all the advanced stuff that is required for you in developing your castle in a better manner with the available materials and resources. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.